Hello, my name is Lucy Gray, and I am the co-founder of Actionable Innovations Global. I'm a consultant and community builder working to connect classrooms to the world. Um, one of my, I used to do this event over several years with Steve Hargadon during ISTE, and it was called the Global Education Day. And during the pandemic, we obviously went on hiatus and we haven't been able to meet in person. So this is the first time a group of educators at the ISTE conference has been able to get together and with a shared passion for connecting classrooms to the world. The event is now called the Global Collaborator Meetup, and I'm now running it with new people, including Julene Reed and our friends at CILC, Taking It Global, and MadLearn. And what this event is about is people building the relationships that are necessary for global collaboration. So we do Ignite talks, and then we do discussion tables on different topics like the SDGs or project-based learning or whatever. Um, and then we also do some resource sharing with things that will help teachers go back to their classrooms and connect to other classrooms and programs. So some of the people besides CLC, MadLearn, and Taking It Global presented ideas related to hydroponics. We had Team for Tech talked about their community of practice. I'm trying to think who else was part of this, but it was really a lovely event with maybe about 100 educators, and some of these are organization leaders as well, communicating and sharing and building that professional learning network that's really necessary for global collaboration. So next year in Denver, I'm hoping that we get to do this again, and I would love more people to get involved.